Welcome to the second model within EquityHub, the Synthetic OI EquityHub Model. The Synthetic OI model is built to help you better understand short-term options positioning and hedging flows, so you can react faster, manage risk more precisely, and trade short-term setups with greater confidence. The Synthetic OI EquityHub model has the same general layout as the total OI model, but replaces the central chart with a more advanced view enhanced by millions of more data points. This lens delivers more precise tracking of short-term options hedging flows by eliminating assumptions and categorizing transactions according to participants and whether they are opening or closing trades. These insights can be especially impactful with intraday or overnight trades. Understanding Synthetic OI is crucial for intraday and overnight trading because it helps unveil how hedging flows can amplify or dampen short-term price movements. Negative gamma often leads to intraday momentum and heightened volatility, while positive gamma tends to cause mean reverting or pinned price action. Traders who monitor gamma profiles can improve trading entries, anticipate volatility, and align strategies with underlying market forces. Trader tip: as a stock approaches a high positive gamma area, expect increased resistance and a potential reversal. Conversely, negative gamma zones can accelerate momentum as dealers add pressure through their hedging trades.